I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down.
I say it again. There's something that Nigerian politicians always forget. It has been a narrative that when the government uses you and they are done with you, they will dump you. As the Rivers State political crisis takes a new twist, ASARI DOKUBO, a one-time friend, ally, and supporter of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has taken to his social media to lament the threats by Nigerian military. Yes, Nyesom Wike, who is the former governor of Rivers State and the current FCC minister, has been wondering what is actually giving Governor Fubara this mind to challenge me back to back. And I believe that in his thoughts, he actually thinks that it is ASARI DOKUBO and some of the ex-militants in Rivers State. And to this end, ASARI DOKUBO has come out to explain, to lament, and to threaten that in the last 30 minutes, he has seen some military helicopters hover around his premises. He has come out to say that I will shoot down the military helicopters. I want you to take a look at his words. Now I'll be coming back to give you my thoughts about it. Please, do well to touch the like button. What? It doesn't cost anything. It only lets YouTube know that this video is recommendable so that other people can see for themselves. As a means of courtesy, so that other people can see what is going on in Rivers State. Take a look.
I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As you are talking, wicked soldiers, wicked police, whoever, have been flying over my house and my compound in the last 30 minutes with 2 helicopter gunships. I have the capacity to contain them. Nigeria cannot surrender to Wike. Rivers people will not surrender to Wike. Ipob people will not surrender to Wike. I have the capacity to contain them. And the government knows that I have the capacity to contain them. As I've been containing other people. Let them tell Wike to back off. I am 60 years old. I've never been afraid of death. I've always embraced death. I've always embraced death. So I am not afraid of death. So all those who are there, when the helicopter is shot down, let nobody blame them. I didn't go and look for the helicopter to shoot them down. I will shoot down the helicopter. I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Enough is enough. That Tinubu will hand over Rivers State to slavery. The wicked is nobody. Without this manipulator, it's nobody. Wicked is nobody. Let them remove this thing from him now. I think he has billions. He knows the market. He has bought guns for his men. Let them remove this thing from me. And let us see. Go and vote. I will go and vote. I will vote and you see me vote. Nothing will happen. We vote, result will be announced. Chairman will be sworn in and we will see. Chairman will be sworn in and we will see. I don't want to talk too much. We will not talk too much. There is a military formation in this community. We did not look for that trouble. Your father mad is a mungu. You cowardly evil. Do you think I'm like you? You will see the capacity working. They will do until you go and catch wicked with our hands. And then you see our capacity.
Okay.
With the soldiers, we go and catch him with our hands.
All right. See it for yourself. Now, the truth is that Nigerian politicians are what I call use and dump. And it's not a new thing. It has been the narrative. We all know that when a politician needs you, they will come out and sweet talk you. And all those people that are following without thinking with their rational thinking cap to think that, this thing I'm following, is it actually the right thing? They would actually also come one day to regret their actions. We all know how ASARI DOKUBO one time stormed ASARI saying that if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu fails, hold me responsible. Today, just watch the video you saw for yourself. Is it the same thing as what he was saying earlier? The difference is clear. Because a politician will always, an average Nigerian politician would always do what pleases himself. And pretend and paint it as though he's doing what will please the generality of the people. It has happened in ASARI DOKUBO and it has happened in most cases. I posted a video earlier today of Asa Abuja who was complaining to say that you cannot use me and dump me. And this has been the narrative in Nigerian politics. I just wish that all those so-called followers that have been following the Wike supporters, Wike lawmakers who have sense to understand that the reason why you're doing that is nothing more than the fact that you are uninformed and you are poor. Otherwise, you would have sense to understand that when a person has stayed in government and allegedly stolen the commonwealth of the people to the tune of almost 8 billion naira every month for 8 years, it is enough for us to smoke him out and for us to see the light of the day, for at least new horns to come up and lead the nation of Rivers State. Please, we love you to do what to drop it off in the comment section. Also do what to like this video, so that this video would adhere directly by proxy get to these people that call themselves political class, that keep deceiving themselves, thinking they are deceiving Nigerians. Many thanks to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.